Looking for a marine radio that won't quit when things get wet? The Uniden MHS75 VHF handheld radio offers a full JIS-8 waterproof rating, meaning it's ready to handle splashes, sprays, or even being submerged up to 5 feet for 30 minutes. Whether you're facing whitecap waves or unexpected tidal surges, this radio stays tough and keeps you connected. What sets the MHS75 apart is its rugged design combined with a floating body. You don't have to worry about dropping it overboard, just grab it and keep communicating. It's built to endure the daily challenges of life on the water, so you get reliable performance no matter the conditions. Power control is key when you want to balance battery life and communication range. The MHS75 lets you switch between 1, 2, 5, and 5 watts. Most of the time, 1 watt is enough for close-range chats. But when you're farther from shore or other vessels, cranking up to 5 watts ensures your signal reaches where it needs to go. Stay connected across all important marine channels with full coverage of USA, international, and Canadian frequencies. This radio keeps you in the loop with the latest marine activity no matter where you sail. Plus, it's pre-programmed with all NOAA weather channels, giving you real-time weather updates and emergency alerts to keep you safe. The Emergency Weather Alert feature makes the MHS75 more than just a radio. When NOAA issues a warning, the radio sounds an alert tone, then broadcasts the emergency information. It's peace of mind that's essential when you're out at sea and need to stay ahead of severe weather or unexpected events. One of the smartest features is the Instant Channel 16/9 Triple Watch. It continuously monitors emergency channels 16 and 9 every 2 seconds while you listen to your current channel. This means you won't miss critical calls even if you're focused on other communications. Real users back up its reliability. One boater shared how the MHS75 outperformed expectations during a breakdown in the middle of the bay. Despite being handheld, it connected with the tow boat company over a surprisingly long distance. The built-in clip also lets you mount it securely on your dash, keeping it handy and ready. If you don't have room for a conventional VHF radio or want something that can handle tough marine conditions, the Uniden MHS75 is worth a look. Rugged, waterproof, and packed with features, it's designed to keep you safe and connected. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your marine communication.